So guys, in this is a Sony laptop, and I'm going to teach you how to go to BIOS in this Sony laptop. Suppose if you are willing to install Windows 10 or you want to change some settings in the BIOS, how you would like to go, you have to press, here is a key, assistant, as you can see here, this key. Okay, so to press once and the machine will boot, and this will take you to BIOS setup. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the BIOS setup. You can see here, this is the BIOS setup. Okay, once you select this start BIOS setup, you can go and press enter from the keyboard, and this will take you to the BIOS setting. Okay, right, and you can make your all necessary changes whatever you want to make it here. And if you are looking to make any changes, you can make it here. If you are willing to install Windows 10, then you have to change these settings from UEFI to legacy, right? And from in legacy mode, pen drive will detect, and once you'll make it in legacy, you need to save the changes and then exit this setup, right? So once again, if you'll press here, I'll as you can see here, the screen setup is here. So you can go to this setting out here, start from media. Okay, this will detect bootable pen drive, and as you can see that Windows is booted. Okay, so this is how we do it. So since the pen drive has been connected out here, okay, so this will detect Windows. So as you can see here, you can make Windows changes, right? And depending upon your country, you can select anything. Since I am from India, so I'll select India and go with the next, and then install it. So here you have many options. You can select any version depending upon your requirement, and you can go with the next option, next. Okay, and this will take you the next screen, and then accept the license agreement by pressing shortcut key space bar, and then you can go with the next by enter, and then choose your custom with installation. Okay, and then here is your partition. So depending upon the requirement, you can go with this. So now this is the place where we will make the partition. First we have to delete all the system partition of C drive. This is the recovery partition which I am deleting now, and also I'll delete the system files of 100 MB, and then I'll also delete that MSR reserve partition, and I'll delete this too, and also I'll delete the OS the previous OS partition, so that I can install the new I can create the new partition. As you can see, this is unallocated space now, and then I'll select this partition, and then I'll click on new, so that the C partition will be created. So click on apply and then OK. You just need to select the partition and then click apply and then OK, and then the C partition will be created where our operating system is going to install. And after this, what we have to do, we have to select that new partition where we are going to install the OS. So we select this new partition where we are willing to install our OS, and then click on next. And after this, the installation of Windows process will start. Copying, as you can see here, copying Windows file has been started. It will go slowly from 0% to 100%. It has to go, and then you can see that it's being started from 0% now, and see it's being now 57% now. So slowly this is how it's going to happen. So slowly the Windows will get installed. So guys, we are almost finished. You select the country English India and click on next.
Okay.
Just skip it. We don't need anything to do it.
How about the first one on the list?
Just skip as of now. You don't connect to any network.
Type what you want to name your account.
Yeah, just give anything depending upon your requirement. I'm just giving as a user, you can see, and then next you do it.
Okay, now type a
Password we don't need, just skip as of now,
Hey, look!
and we need to click on yes.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends.
Just let it be all as default. What next?
Okay, that's the last step.
Okay, let's complete
We
this
need to
too.
get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Okay, Cortana. We are almost finished, just getting few things ready. So everything is completed, as you can see. Thank you for watching it, and please do subscribe and please do share. Thank you.